Oh, my food's ruined.
Oh my god, guys. I have to see that.
Stop. This is not the time and place to take pictures of me eating.
Okay, fine.
I'm taking a video. I see it. It's recording. You all deserve that. Chicken's me.
That was not me.
Free chicken, because I don't like my chicken.
Kelly, that's.
I don't like chicken.
I don't care.
You guys are wiping down this table after.
Your parents are gonna come up here and say, Fred, stop. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Take pictures of Robbie.
Damn. This is a video.
Ashley.
Want to say hi, Robbie?
Hi.
Want to eat for us? Eat pasta. Oh, eat a salad. No, that's not as fun. Let's watch Ashley. Up and personal, close and personal.
You guys are so mean.
Hey, there's Ashley's food. Gross, isn't it?
Let's go.
It's the same as yours.
Look at what she did to my plate.
like that? Dang it.
Can we like not take videos while we're eating?
Granddad said, "Kerplunk."
Ew, did someone just fart?
Oh, stop.
Here.
Get the
Start
chicken.
recording.
Are you gonna get the chicken? Yeah, it's not recording. I couldn't tell my own